Lava Blast, and this is another tutorial more advanced on how to do CapCut. And this one has the video sound at least, and I'm talking. So let's get started. So with the basics, if you want to mute the video sound, just click mute clip audio on the right here. Then if I click it, you might notice video sound off and the video sound on. Let's get more advanced. If you want to change the color of the video, click adjust. Yeah, I did some adjusting. Anyway, brightness, just make it more brighter, cold. And we'll just do like a bit contrast, do something on dark colors, only does it on dark colors. This one makes it look like more high definition, you see more detail. Saturation, just absolutely nothing, well, kinda. But on dark object makes it darker, and bright objects just makes it brighter. Exposure shows how much light is exposed in the video. Also makes it look high definition. Sharpen, if you look closely, like on some small details, it will make it sharp and better to see. This one is kind of hard, but like on objects that are red, it will change it to like the different color. It doesn't really do that much stuff, but nope. Alright, shadow just shows if there's more shadow or not, makes it more brighter. You might see some errors right back here when I do shadow, so make sure you don't do a little too high. Temperature makes it seem like if it's cold, which makes it more blue, or hot, which makes it more red. Hue, there's just see, this is a green usually in the system. If there's like a green screen or something, that might change it. Fade just makes it seem more fade. The block object more brighter. I don't know how to pronounce this one. It makes like the little scenery like black here or white here. Like let's just say you're doing a movie, or something like that. Grain, just I don't know. If they're on sand, you might be able to notice it. Alright, we're done with it. If you want to make the video like less, literally just click on the video and adjust the time. And if you just don't want any adjustments, just click delete and the video is back to normal. Filters just makes the change. We got green milk. Ew. It's loading. And some filters doesn't really make a difference. Alright, cover is basically if you want to add some music to it, which most people think, but it's not. Sometimes you want to use a template for like this. Let's just say this month. Why? Alright, I'll skip. I'll show you when it's done loading. That wasn't that long. So you got here. You got that little text. You're too lazy to. And if you want to add an ending, it could be really anything, but it can't for CapCut. Just click delete or something. And overlay, I'm gonna explain it better for you. You got videos. This is my videos and stuff. Photos, just literally, this is a bunch of photos, and this is my finger. That's my broken bone. Okay. Yeah, I got a bunch of slow motion. Okay. I'm gonna blur it out because I don't want my little brother's videos face to be seen. So you got a bunch of GIFs and stickers and stuff. Click on it, and you got here loading. Mirror just makes it like reflect. If you make it smaller, you might be able to notice it. Auto captions. You have to add video. Okay, let's just do this. I wasn't talking with it, but if you add auto captions, if you're talking inside, like on the video, it'd be in the bottom, which I will do for this video. And ooh, this is kind of long. Canvas just changes the background. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's just the background. Color, we'll change it in the back, also the background, and blur just makes it more blurry. It's not really noticeable, but you might, it actually works. Filters, we just did that. Format, we'll change the size of the video. See like how it changes? Fit, will basically fit. Alright, let's just say, let's go to effects. If you want, body effects is like if you have a body, which I will do later in the next part. Let's do video effects. Let's just say for something you want like a shaking, or like let's just say, ooh, fisheye. Notice how it changes? Clicking on adjust will show how much it works and how much it distorts the video. Okay, let's just delete these real quickly, so you'll be able to notice the video effect. This one, I don't like this one, but I'm still at it. Notice how it changes now. Just mute the video. There you go. And stuck frame just basically shakes the video, like the video is stuck and it's like buffering or something. And this is an eclipse warning. Black flash. Yeah. White flash. Jeez. Shockwave. This is horrible. Color negative. Hold on, what the? Sorry, there was someone screaming outside. Color frame, sorry. Oh, flame. I mean, already have too much effects, so it won't show. Okay, see? They're all mixed together. Add audio, well, basically, alright. Sorry, and let's continue. If you want to add like your voice to the video, I'm gonna just say lava blast. So like, turn it on. You heard it. My voice is a bit low, so you know what I do. Whew. Hi, it's me, Lava Blast. Ah. What? Wait, that's what the. Alright, there's something. What the heck? The video is 4,473 hours? What the heck? Okay, I'm sorry. What the heck happened? Alright, and that is on the sadly more advanced option. Alright, it's me, Lava Blast. Come back for part 3, I guess, or advanced. I'll see you later. Bye.